KR's Naval Services are optimized for Korea's naval vessels. Based on our comprehensive naval vessel safety assurance program in life cycle, we offer stage-by-stage inspection services essential for ensuring naval safety. KR provides a consistent and reliable certification framework from design and construction to operation and decommissioning. At the core of the KR NSAP program are our naval rules and standards. In collaboration with the ROK Navy, KR is actively conducting research to establish and update design and construction standards for naval vessels. These standards are now applied as fundamental naval requirements in all vessels built in Korea. Established in 2014, the KR Naval Vessel Rules have been fully revised to support both export and domestic shipbuilding projects. As a member of the International Naval Safety Association since its establishment in 2008, KR actively contributes to the development of internationally recognized naval safety codes. This development of rules and standards serves as a key driver in KR NSAP's unique virtuous cycle structure, integrating technological advancements and industrial demands. It will serve as a critical foundation for establishing standardized operational safety certifications for K-Naval vessels in the future. During the naval acquisition stage, KR NSAP provides design verification and construction survey services, ensuring safety through classification certification. KR has strengthened to the safety and reliability of key Korean Navy and Korea Coast Guard projects by performing design verification and construction surveys for Changbogo-class submarines, and conducting failure mode and effect analysis for Aegis destroyers and other naval vessels. We also actively support the export of naval vessels overseas, including frigates for Thailand and patrol vessels for Peru. As Korea's leading classification society, KR plays a key role in developing international recognized naval ship codes and providing naval safety certification services. Through these efforts, KR has established itself as a trusted partner in strengthening the global competitiveness of K-defense exports. The validity of classification certificates issued during the naval acquisition stage is ensured to keep the validity through regular inspections. KR actively promotes annual, intermediate, temporary, and renewal inspections. Currently, the ROK Navy conducts alternative inspections in collaboration with KR, including naval condition assessment and overall quality inspections. By identifying major defects early in HME systems, KR helps ensure the safety of operational vessels and enhance combat readiness. KR's expertise, accumulated through its comprehensive lifecycle inspection model and operations and maintenance surveys, will serve as a key driver for expanding the K-MRO initiative, shaping the future of naval maintenance, repair, and overhaul for Korea's Navy. In addition to naval vessels, KR conducts precise safety inspection on diving equipment and key operational systems, contributing to reduced failure rates and improved operability. In step with the fourth industrial revolution, KR is at the forefront of eco-friendly and digital technologies. As a driving force behind the transition to unmanned K-maritime systems, KR actively advances digital transformation technologies and provides technical support. Through these efforts, KR is leading the global Navy toward the transition of unmanned defense systems. The sea we must protect. The sea that protects us. At the forefront of that protection stands naval vessels, guarding our oceans and safeguarding our lives. Behind that safety lies invisible technology and unwavering trust. Engaging inspection experts of K-Marine Defense, providing trusted safety certifications of K-Marine Defense, supporting the full life cycle of K-Marine Defense, enhancing global competitiveness of K-Marine Defense. From the beginning to the end of a vessel's life, we are your steadfast partner. KR will always stand by your side.